When Jamaicans benefit from the social investment in our people, it drives our economic growth. When Jamaica's economy grows, we become the masters of our destiny.
The Knollis community in Bogwalk, St. Catherine is one of those communities benefiting from government's investment in its people by way of a multi-purpose center.
As a government, we're working with you to give you the tools that will instill in you the confidence to succeed.
By building capacity in every Jamaican community, government is working to achieve strategic priority number 2, economic growth and job creation in the 2014-2015 fiscal year. And with the continued push for rural community development, the multipurpose center ties perfectly into plans to create areas where people live, do business, and create lasting memories with their families. The Knollis Multipurpose Center is a program of the Inner City Basic Services Project. It was financed by the government in partnership with the World Bank and administered by the Jamaica Social Investment Fund, JSIF.
Our aim is to develop this multipurpose center into a functional social enterprise that is financially autonomous and sustainable. Hence, this infrastructure was complemented by the formation of a management committee to manage the center. Capacity building and organizational strengthening intervention, including business plan writing and business development training. Social programs which will be pursued in this center will no doubt assist in improving the community's access to benefits such as educational activities, recreation, skills development, and training.
The $133.6 million investment is now serving 1,200 persons from 220 households in Knollis and neighboring communities. At 500 square meters, the center consists of a main hall, commercial workshop spaces, computer room and a kitchen, as well as male and female bathrooms. On the outside, JSIF installed a biodigester sewage system and a parking space, as well as improved roads and drains.
We want to ensure that we create cottage industries that can allow for all of you, young people, to be able to get some employment creation, some income generation in these communities. Projects that will allow you to not only learn a skill, but to be able to earn something from that skill which you will learn.
That will develop a lasting legacy for the people if you put this center to proper use.
JSIF grew a very wonderful building, as you can see there. And we have a lot of plans for it in terms of sport, and we can promise you we are going to keep it nice.
Having put up $5.28 million towards the completion of the multipurpose center, the Knollis Benevolent Society members are already putting the space to good use. In the first phase, 40 citizens, including unattached youth, have benefited from wealth creation and skills training initiatives.
Cushion making has taught me how to do stuff by myself, because right now I can basically just pick up a piece of material and just make a cushion.
Going after college, the semester coming, I'm positive that I'm ready based on what I've learned throughout being a part of this.
It has impacted my life greatly and empowered me to be a better citizen of my community and Extension Jamaica.
And there are plans for further training.
We are trying to get in heart to do some training, and we also have a kitchen around there, so we'll be doing our own like culinary arts. We can sell some of those stuff. They were also trained in cushion and sheet making and fabrication, so we'll try to continue those processes, and those are income generating projects.
The Knollis Community Benevolent Society is determined to make its newly built community center a model for other communities to emulate.
With the team, we will make sure that this building is utilized for the purpose and intent that it is here for. We want the community of Knollis to be an example. There are 12 communities that have benefited from this program. We want to be the #1. And as a matter of fact, not only want to be, we will be the #1.